Hello, welcome to our next episode on causes of type 2 diabetes. You can check our previous videos if this is your first time of watching this channel. Let's continue from 9. Polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, hormonal imbalance. Women with PCOS, a condition marked by hormonal imbalances and insulin resistance, are at higher risk of type 2 diabetes. 10. High blood pressure, hypertension, blood pressure over 140/90 mmHg. Hypertension is commonly associated with insulin resistance, and having high blood pressure increases the likelihood of developing type 2 diabetes. 11. Abnormal cholesterol levels, low HDL, good cholesterol. Low levels of HDL cholesterol and high levels of triglycerides are linked to a higher risk of type 2 diabetes. 12. Chronic inflammation, systemic inflammation, long-term inflammation, often linked to obesity in unhealthy lifestyles, contributes to insulin resistance. Before we continue, if you happily enjoy the video so far, hit subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification button. 13. Chronic stress, hormonal imbalance. Stress leads to the release of hormones like cortisol, which can raise blood sugar levels and promote insulin resistance over time. 14. Smoking, tobacco use. Smoking increases the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes by affecting blood circulation and contributing to inflammation. According to World Health Organization, avoiding tobacco use are ways to prevent or delay the onset of type 2 diabetes. 15. Poor sleep patterns, sleep disorders and sleep deprivation. Insufficient sleep or conditions like sleep apnea can disrupt metabolism and increase the risk of insulin resistance. 16. Medications, corticosteroids and antipsychotic drugs. Long-term use of certain medications, such as corticosteroids and some psychiatric medications, can impair glucose metabolism and increase the risk of type 2 diabetes. I will still urge you to subscribe to my channel for more health education like this, and thank you for watching. See you for our next episode.